So I don't think I'm gonna be starting with a. I don't think I'm gonna be so professional, Dorian. So professional. Also, that green kind of makes my eyes hurt. Actually, I think he's actually trying to dance. Look at that. Hello everyone, my name. What do I have in my hand? Of course, because Wayne Rooney. What am I doing? Oh, dance party, dance party, dance party, dance party, dance party, dance party, dance party. You saw that dance party, dance party.